When I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn. When I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn. Goddamn. They hating, I guess I gave them a reason. Feel like Roddy Rich, cause I've been ballin' every season. Got them 24s with 14 inches wide. Hop up in my ride, come catch a vibe. Cause you know that F-250 go vroom vroom. Girl, you looking like a star, I can take you to the moon. They never show me love till they seen I got bands. I'm the man, got them asking what's the plan when I pull up. When I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn. When I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn. They ain't never show me love. Now when I step out, it's all fake kisses and hugs. I had to stop seeing the potential and see things for what they was. I was living in a dream, babe. But you know I keep my wallet in that green state. Cause you know that F-250 go vroom vroom. Got a body shaking when that speaker boom boom. They never show me love till they seen I got bands. I'm the man, got them asking what's the plan when I pull up. When I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn. When I pull up in the whip, they be saying.
You guys, we have the 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic, the 5.7 HEMI. Gonna go through a short review with you guys. This is not the in-depth review, but it is just the shorter, cut-down version. Start at the back, backup camera, huge logo on the back compared to my hand, where it's from, Benson and Greer. Trailer hitch, plug in there, and there, electrical there, lights there. Open up the bed. It's got bed liner already in it, really dirty already because it's a used vehicle. But you can close that back up. Come around to the passenger side. Got the rear seat. We'll go into more detail in here in a minute. I believe it has the fold-up seats with extra storage room underneath the seats. Right there. Now let's take a look at the interior of this truck. Climb on in here. So a cool thing, you've got this handle to hold on to while you're getting in. And very spacious interior. 3 cup holders right in your center dash. Really big storage compartment here with your coin holders there and power outlets there. Your park, drive, reverse selection there. Key goes in there. Key goes in there. And then you select your mode, your drive mode with this. Infotainment screen, you can see it working right there with RAM. Right there in Sirius XM, all Sirius XM powered. You have a 12 volt down here. And you're another 12 volt on the other side. Place for cars or car keys or something. I don't know what that is. You have your air vents here. Glove box. Oh, right there. Your just everything in it that you need. And then just overall, in general, really, really nice. And yeah, your LCD screen will, if you open the door, that screen will light up. Maybe not. No, it's just this one. Okay, so let's go and see if we can do this with our finger. Nope, can't. You have your headlight switch over here, auto, off, lights on, high beams on, right there. Then you have your windshield wiper selection over here, mist right there, push, and then you can adjust your wipers right there. And you turn signals as normal. High beams, you'll see out there. Right there. You see over here, again, right there. And then how high the interior lights are on the truck. You can see on the right here. Is it off and then on right there? All using this switch right here. Regular door switches for left, right, mirror controls. Just everything in general that you need to know about the Ram 1500. Now we're going to go ahead and check out the engine of this truck. Parking brake release. Parking brake right there. Push that in to release. To hit it. Pull this up to release it. Right there like that. Now we're going to take a look at the 5.7 HEMI engine that comes in this truck. Oh, and also tilt and telescoping steering wheel. There's your tilt right there. Oh, goodness, hang on. Alright, so we'll go over that tilt and telescopic steering wheel here real quick. So you have tilt right here. But it cannot telescope. That's your tilt, up and down. It's all the way in the up position right now. And right here, it's all the way in the down position. So yeah. Let's go ahead and check out that 5.7. Reach under here, pop the hood latch, and there is the 5.7 HEMI. Your battery terminal covers right there and there. See if I can get that back on there. Yeah, right there. There we go. Windshield washer fluid right there. Completely full from the factory. Coolant here. Coolant right there. Radiator cap. 5.7 HEMI pushing out 495 horsepower. 500 pound-feet of torque. Hood latch, kind of hard to get to. It's got all this greasy stuff all over it because it's brand new from the factory. Go ahead and pull this. And then we'll just go ahead and shut that right there. So, yes, and let's look at the window sticker. It's a 2021 model year Ram 1500 Classic. Tradesman crew cab. Let's go ahead and hop in the back seat to show you guys. Hang on. Let's go out to the other side here. Once again, you have fold-up seats that have storage pockets, pretty deep storage pockets underneath it. And just, yeah, overall very nice to have those. And then you just pull down like that. Let's go ahead and hop up in the back seat here. Oh. Right there. So, back seat of this truck's very nice. Very, very spacious. You got cup holders down here instead of in the backrest. Cup holders down here, your own controls for your heat and stuff down here, and that's pretty much it. Just the cup holders and that, and of course your window switches. But other than that, that's it back here. There's really not much back here other than your dome light. Yeah, other than your dome light, but honestly that's it. That's all that Dodge gives you in the Tradesman crew cab. Let's go ahead and hop out and finish this up. As always, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like Squad, please be sure to smash that like button. Be sure to go check out Benson of Greer on the internet at Benson Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, bensonchrysler.com. Go check them out. They'll hook you up with some awesome stuff. As you can see, we're finishing our video today in the truck bed of the truck that we just reviewed. Yeah, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 7 Cobb. Peace out.